Yes, sir. You see it. Hola, it is your boy, The Session. Happy to have you today. And you know what it is? It is Sunday, according to my watch, and it's time to make some money off option plays. I hope you're ready to make some money because we got $100,000 to get to. You did!
1,000, 2,000 trees. I make guacamole from investing in my brother.
Bueno.
And my brother. 𝙎𝙚𝙬 𝘾𝙤𝙤 I get it with my brother.
Okay.
What is good, YouTube? It is your boy, The Session. I'm here today on this beautiful, fantastic day. You see the sunlight bursting through my blinds. I'm here on this day to give you some option plays, some option trades, so that way when you go into the stock market tomorrow, you are already making money. You know what you're going to do tonight, so you can maybe push some shit through in the pre-market tomorrow morning before everyone else is up and they still got the crust in their eyes. All right, so I hope you were ready to make some money off the option plays. We make money right here from our phone. But before we get into that, it's very important that I teach you about how I'm going to make some money off of Tiblio. Wow. What is Tiblio? I'll tell you. So Tiblio is an amazing web-based application. There will be mobile sometime in the future, I believe, but it's an amazing application, web-based, that allows you to find long calls and other credit spreads and other things of that nature. But I use it for finding calls. And this video today is sponsored by Tiblio, and we will solely be using Tiblio to find our option plays. Wow, you guessed it. This is fantastic. So how it picks the option plays is that Tiblio, the stock symbols listed below, are screened every 5 minutes for strong bullish option trading activity. They search for unusual call volume, buyer-driven trading, and look for at-the-money call options expiring the closest to 30 days from now. So they're showing you amazing plays that are going to be lucrative, that are trading at unusual volumes. I know y'all love money. I love money's cool, but I like the shit that money allows me to do. So why not make more of it? Here, every 5 minutes, it will show you different ticker symbols that you can go research for yourself. So I'm going to present some plays to you today. I know most of you always don't have time to research, and maybe sometimes you may not have time to watch my full video. I know it's sad, but in reality, if you are on the go and you're a mobile person and you're active, or maybe you just don't have the time or you don't have the desire, you can go to Tiblio. You can sign up through my link in the description. You will definitely get a discount. We are already up to over 100 users of you who have signed up, so I'm so grateful of that. But these people will get you straight. They will cut all the wait time in half. You will be able to search for option plays in a matter of seconds. So thank you, Tiblio. And back into the video, we will be starting our portfolio in the thieves. Okay, so we got some good ones for you today. Okay, you see we are on the device. We'll go over here to the finance folder. Boom, open up the Thieves application. And we are going to start out with the first play. I'm giving you today 3 option plays. So we are going to make some money. I've decided to increase the amount that I am depositing every week. And I've decided that over 600 of you have voted, maybe 700 by the time this video airs, that you want to see me do a video of me investing my entire stimulus check into the stock market and turning it into $5,000 within 30 days. That is something I'm interested in doing. Let's see if I can do it. Anybody who beats me in the Discord will be rewarded $200. So here's the first play, ASYS. This is Amtech Systems. You see on the day it is up 4%, a little over 4%, and in the after hours up 0.24%. On the week, look at that. Beautiful, up almost 38%. Even on the month, up 45%. So I love this. I love this and I love this. A little about the company is that it engages in the manufacture of capital equipment. It specializes in thermal processing and wafer handling, automation, and related consumables used in fabricating semiconductor devices, light emitting diodes, silicon carbide, and silicon power chips, solar cells. Right, whatever that means. It does a lot of technical stuff with energy. That sounds cool. And equipment. So the important part is, what is the news about this company? And I'm excited and delighted to tell you that I'm going to be getting positioned in this play. This thing has, last year, it generated 24 billion in global revenues. And they're actually part of a tough sector, but on their own, they're amazing. The firm has has seen the firm has seen solid earnings estimate revision activity over the past month, suggesting analysts are becoming a bit more bullish on the firm's prospects in both short and long term. So this is a hold for both short and long term. And this is according to Yahoo Finance as well as Zacks Industry. Now listen to this. Everyone's invested in this. The numbers are set for them to reach $77.6 billion in 2020's report, when they report those numbers. It went from 24 billion to 77.6 billion. And Mark Cuban believes that this company will produce the world's first trillionaire. Mark Cuban from Shark Tank, my guy, my dog. He's telling you that this play is going to be big. So with that being said, let's get into the option. You press trade options. I'm going for the closer expiration date, but if you want it further, you simply press April 16th or May 21st or August 20th, whichever one you want. I'm going to go here with May 19th, and we're going to go for a $12.50 call. Do something different, because I believe that this one will continue to rise. It had fantastic numbers, and I'm going to get a couple positions in this. I'll probably get about 10 contracts of this. 10 contracts will cost you about $400, but one contract is $40. So this is super duper affordable. Being at the numbers and information I just told you and showed you, from Mark Cuban's to the Yahoo Finance and the other articles and analysts, they're telling you that this one's been on fire for a reason. Look at the numbers. It went from 24 billion, which is already outstanding, to 77.6 billion. I'm going to be getting position in this. Comment below and let me know if you'll be getting position. This is ASYS, $12.50 call, March 19th. Okay, at numero dos, we have Chris, or Curis. I'm not sure how you pronounce this, but it is up on the day 2.73%. On the week, it is up almost 17%, and only down a very small amount on the month. So a little about this company. This company engages in the development and commercialization of drug candidates for the treatment of human cancers. So that's already something we love and we can stand behind. Helping people get rid of this terrible sickness and dis-ease called cancer. So I'm always on board when I hear something like that. Now let's go ahead and see if we can trade ourselves an option. We hit trade options. Remember, a call means that we are betting that the stock will go above the price we select. A put is when you believe that it will remain lower or go lower than the price it is currently at by the expiration date provided. So we are here. We are going to do, Chris, we're doing a $10 call. Okay? So if you are interested in this position, go ahead and get you a call. This is going to be CRIS, $10 call, March 19th expiration date. One contract will cost you $125. So it's fairly affordable. This is for my people who have even more capital and maybe resonate with this stock a bit more. Maybe, unfortunately, you have someone in your family who suffered from cancer or got some shit going on. You can get in this play and get yourself a couple contracts. I find the best way to profit is when we jump on these plays, just like how 85% of the ones I've put you on in the past have made money. We need to get a couple contracts, not one, not two, but 3 or more to really be lucrative. But don't go beyond your budget. I'm simply saying for those of us who have the capital right now. And another thing about Chris, which makes this stock amazing, is that they today, on March 10th, announced that an abstract for 𝙎𝙚4948, a small molecule for 𝙈𝙚𝙀4 inhibitor, has been accepted for poster presentation at the American Association for Cancer Research annual meeting, which is held virtually April 2021. So they have a meeting coming up next month that's going to be letting them give their presentation on whatever that acronym stands for. They got some shit that's out here healing and curing cancer, or at least some strong research and inclinations that something's going to be fixed. So that's reason enough to get into this play. That is CRIS. Let me know if you get in position in it. And lastly, at numero tres, we have Mogo. I don't know how it is or how it's pronounced, but this is up on the day almost 5%. You see them numbers right there. This is 30% up on the past week, and on the month only down 7%. Let's see what the company is about, what they're talking about. Is a venture capital company which engages in investing in growth companies. Its portfolio includes financial technologies, internet, media, and media technologies, healthcare, and other. They're everywhere. I love this. Immediately when I hear capital ventures, I automatically think of Shark Tank and I think of my dog Kevin. So Mogo, right here, I'm interested in this. Some information about the company that's making me interested is their earnings and their revenue growth expectations certainly give a good sense of potential strength in the stock. And recently, the consensus for the estimate for the quarter has been revised up 8.7% higher over the last 30 days at the current level. This is an article I found on Yahoo Finance. They believe that this is a stock you want to remain bullish on. So you can get position in this as well. But for our sake, we're getting some options. So let's go to trade options. And let's go with a $10 call is what I have here. This is $10 call. It's very, very affordable. $60. So we have until March 19th to get this stock as close over $10 or as far over $10 as we can. And that's the higher amount we will get paid. You see, this is a $10 call by March 19th for MOGO. So that is the third and final play that we're giving here today. Shit, that rhymed. That's fire. But always remember and stay tuned always remember that in the Discord, we definitely have some plays. I'm going to give in the advanced option plays. I'm thinking I'm going to give probably 5 or 6 plays today. In the regular options channel, we're going to give at least 3. You know, this is always helping, feeding the family, feeding everybody so that everybody can eat. We want to make some millionaires. Imagine having a team in a Discord full of self-made millionaires. That's what we are. I love you. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please stay tuned. We got new music coming out. The merch is out. Y'all been showing it love. We got new giveaway videos coming out. There's a lot of fire shit coming out that I have for y'all. Sponsorships, different opportunities. I'm grateful for you. Hope you're grateful for me. Let's continue to go out there and win. And let's continue to eat. I love you. Until next time, stay lit, stay awesome, stay healthy. You dig?